Hi students, today let us learn about transformer coupled amplifier. In multi-stage amplifiers, so what is multi-stage means? When the gain of one amplifier is not enough, then you have to take two or more amplifiers, then they can be cascaded like this. The output gain will be, total gain will be the product of all the individual gains. So total gain is equal to A into A into A. Here, when we connect the signal from one stage to other stage, you can use an RC network or a transformer, or you can couple the signal directly. So depending on these factors, they are divided as RC coupled amplifier, transformer and direct coupled amplifiers. Today we are discussing about the transformer coupled amplifier. So here in transformer coupled amplifier, as usual, you can draw a transistor like this. This is NPN transistor, and this transistor must be associated with the other network, which is biasing network R1 and R2. This is R1 and this is R2, which are used for biasing. So this will keep the operating point of the transistor in an active region. Then a resistor RE, which is called as stabilization resistor, and it will reduce the effect of temperature on the working of the transistor. And then you will have a capacitor which is called as CE, emitter bypass capacitor, and it will keep a low resistance path to the unwanted signal. And then here this is C in, input capacitor, and it will block the DC from entering into the amplifier, and it allows only AC signal from the input one. So this is the input, which is called weak signal. It is given at the base of the transistor TR1, which has to be amplified then next stage. So this is the first stage of the amplifier. You can connect the ground also. And in the second stage, again you will have another transistor. This is again NPN transistor, and biasing network R1 and R2, stabilization resistor RE, and a bypass capacitor CE. All the points are connected to the ground at the lower edge. And then you have to connect a transformer. You have to take a transformer, and with this transformer you are coupling the signal from first stage to second stage. Transformer means you can see a primary winding and secondary winding. This is transformer. And in the second transistor circuit also another transformer is there with a winding, primary winding and a secondary winding, primary and a secondary windings. This is transformer T1 and this is transformer T2 and transistor TR2. Okay. Now connect all the upper points to VCC, which is called the working voltage, VCC. So that means when you want to amplify the weak signal, the circuit has to be switched on. Okay, to make the transistors TR1 and TR2 into on state, you are connecting VCC. And now here you are having 2 points from the secondary of the transformer. The first point should be connected to the base of the transistor TR2, and the second one, lower wire, can be connected to the middle of R1 and R2. And the second transformer here you can observe it. It is connected at the collector of the transistor TR2. The secondary of the T2 is connected, will be connected to a loudspeaker, especially for a transformer coupled amplifier. You can draw a loudspeaker here. The main advantage of the transformer coupled amplifier, the keynote of this transformer coupled amplifier is its impedance matching. What is impedance matching means? Signal from one circuit can be given to the next circuit when the impedances are equal. Here the output impedance of the first circuit, let it be some 10 ohms, let it be. Then the input impedance of the second circuit should also be 10 ohms. Then this is called as impedance matching. And when this impedance matching is done, the signal will be coupled to the next circuit completely without any wastage. Okay. So the main application of the transformer coupled amplifier is impedance matching. Impedance matching. It can drive a loudspeaker which has low impedance at the coil like this. Okay, then you can observe this is the first stage and this is the second stage of the transformer coupled amplifier. The signal from the first stage is given to the second stage using a transformer. That's why this is called as transformer coupled amplifier. Now you can explain the construction, how the circuit is connected. See, these are the two transistors TR1 and TR2 which are connected here for the amplification. R1, R2 biasing network, RE is a stabilization resistor and C is the bypass capacitor. C in is a input capacitor which blocks DC. So all will have their purpose separately. And then the transformers T1 and T2 are connected at the collector of the transistors. They form the collector loads. Okay. Now when you go for this working, so working here, the input signal will be given at the base of the transistor TR1. The transistor will amplify the signal. Like this is the input signal, and at the output you will get the signal like this. So with 180 degrees of phase shift, you will get the negative cycle first. The amplified signal will appear at the primary of the transformer T1. It is coupled to this secondary by electromagnetic induction, and this secondary voltage will be given to the base of the transistor TR2. TR2 will amplify the signal again. The output will appear at the primary of the second transformer. The secondary is connected to the speaker. Here you can adjust the turns as per your need. If this has 3 ohms of impedance, then you will get some like this, 2 turns only to get 3 ohms. Okay. And if you have 9 ohms of a impedance with the speaker, then you can increase the turns. Okay. So as per the need, the secondary turns can be adjusted to get the required impedance to fit the next circuit, whatever may be. It may be a next circuit or it may be a loudspeaker. Now let us go with the frequency response of the transformer coupled amplifier. So here, when you see the transformer coupled amplifier's frequency response, it has very high gain. It is nearly 10 to 20 times more than that of the RC coupled amplifiers gain. Okay. But the problem here is the gain is not uniform. It is varying. It is varying. It has low gain at the low frequencies and low gain at the high frequencies also. So this is the frequency and this is the gain. So gain is not uniform. It has great gain, high gain. It's okay. Now what is the cause for this low gain at the low frequencies? Means inductive reactance of the primary. Inductive reactance effect of the transformer will make the gain to reduce. Okay. And then also at the high frequencies, the gain is again decreasing. So what is the cause? Means capacitance effect. Capacitance which occurs between the turns of the transformer. Capacitance effect between the turns of the capacitor will make the gain to reduce. Okay. So here it is inductance, reactive, inductance, inductive reactance is the cause, inductive reactance, and here the capacitance effect between the terms. So they will make the uniform, ununiform gain of the amplifier. And then the gain is high, nearly 10 to 20 times more than that of the RC coupled amplifier. Now, when you see the advantages, it has more gain. Gain is very high. High gain is that. And then excellent impedance matching. Excellent impedance matching. Why? Because as you are connecting the transformer at the collector, you can adjust the number of turns depending on the need. Depending on the need of the next circuit. So you can increase, you can decrease the number of turns. There hence you can vary the impedance, which implies the impedance matching. And it is especially used for RF signals. RF signals. What are the disadvantages? Disadvantage here means transformer is bulky. Okay. And it is costly. And it has a temperature effect. Also, this inductive reactance and capacitance effect of the turns will make the ununiform gain. Okay. These are the disadvantages of the transformer coupled amplifier. When you go with this advantage, one more thing is the gain is high, impedance matching is super, and also it doesn't have any resistance load. Resistance effect will not be there. And the applications here, it is especially used for radio frequency signals and for power amplification and impedance matching. These are the main advantages and applications of the transformer coupled amplifier. Okay, thank you.